Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home Gardening. I'm obviously randomly sat in front of some clumps of nettles, and that is because I'm here armed with secateurs to collect some nettles to make some nettle fertiliser or nettle tonic. So let's turn the camera around, shall we? So it's all about finding some nice stingy nettles. I know most of you think there isn't such a thing, but it's this fresh growth before it gets too woody. Obviously wearing gloves and just snipping it down, pile a load till I fill this bucket basically. Now whole bucket full up, and yes, I got stung even through these gloves. Let's go back to the plot, shall we? So I've got the bucket of nettles and just going to chop it all up, stick it in the water butt, and that way that can be my liquid feed. Let's get going. Okay, all chopped up. Just need to give it a little push down. At least then they can have good contact with the water. And over the next couple of weeks or 3 weeks, I'll just be giving it a bit of a stir around and push down to allow it to break down and then be able to use as a feed. So 23rd of June, basically 2 months on from starting the nettle soup. It absolutely stinks, but that's what you want. You can see actually all the larvae bodies in there from the gnats, because they're obviously enjoying it. You can feel the sludge at the bottom still a bit, not too much, and that's stirring it every week, but it's nicely decomposed, releasing all of that nitrogen and potash and all the other trace elements into it, into the stew, and that probably is ready, to be honest. So let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that, it's a lovely looking colour. So that's going to be some good old nettle feed to put over the veggies, in particular the giant pumpkin and the marrows. I'll show you the colour. See, it's a lovely looking colour, and because those nettles were decomposing in 300 litres worth of water, you don't have to worry about doing the dilution rates that you see on so many websites. A bucket into that big old water butt over there is a bucket of nettles, I should say, into that water butt is more than enough. Okay, so that's it done. Nice simple video on how to make your own nettle fertiliser or drench tonic. Tonic is the preferred word, I would say. You know, it is going to be a nice thing to use to help bolster the immune system and the overall plant health of your plants, to hopefully get them off to that better start, and then you can obviously feed with whatever you want afterwards. Any questions, obviously send the questions to me. I'll do my very best to answer them for you. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so don't miss out on future videos. And I always say it, but just enjoy yourself, have some fun, and maybe try doing a little bit more using nature for your own benefits. So till next time, bye for now.